I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit your wall load. Okay, how do you edit your wall load in Prota Structure 2021? Okay, let me show you what we have been doing so far in 3D. I'll go to my 3D. Okay, as you can see, this is my 3D. This is what it looks like. Okay, so how do you edit your wall load? Okay, and you see, if you have followed this training to this stage, I say congratulations to you. Okay, I'll go back to my story 1. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select one of this beam. I'll select this. I'll right click and say edit wall load. Okay, the height of this story from first floor to my ceiling level is 3 meters. Okay, if I remove the height of my roof beam, that is, it's going to give me 2700 mm. Okay, the thickness of my beam is 300 mm. So the wall unit weight of a block is 2.87. Okay, let me show you my calculator. The wall unit weight of a block is 2.87. Okay, for a particular wall, if you plaster a wall at one end, is 0.3. So 2.87 plus is 0.3. Okay, it's going to give you 3.17. So if you plaster the wall at both ends, you are going to add, that is 0.3 times 2, that is 0.6. It means 2.87 plus 0.3 plus another is 0.3. Sorry, that is 2.87 plus 0.3 plus 0.3 is 0.6 plus 0.6 will give you, sorry, is 2.87 plus 0.6 will give you 3.47. Okay, so your wall unit weight here now will be 3.47. Okay, your wall height, if you minus the thickness of your beam, will give you 2.7. okay, 2.7 meter. Okay, 2.7. Then wall thickness is 0.225. okay, that is the thickness of your block, of your wall. Okay, then I will click on OK. Then one particular beam has already have a wall load. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy all the wall load on this whole beam here. Then I will select the beam and right click and say copy wall load. Okay, then I will go to this place and I will select the first beam. I will scroll down, I will press my shift. Okay, I will click on it. I will right click and say paste copied beam load, and I will click on yes. Okay, as you can see, I've successfully copied all the wall load on all these beams. So if I go to my 3D now, you see that all these beams are having a wall load. If I hover my cursor on it, you can see, let me switch to my 2D. Okay, can you see that all my beams, or all my second floor, or my first floor rather, are having a wall load? Okay, can you see that? Can you see? And also, if you remember, the beams we enter for, or that we inserted for this particular point, if you remember, you see that we inserted some small beams here and it's not showing. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, can you see? That is that on how to insert your wall load. Okay, Thank you very much. See you in my next video.